Thomas Cook, everybody, please come here.
Hi friends, good evening. Belgium capital city Brussels lo unnamu. This is called Brussels Square. It's very nice to see. Hi.
Okay, so should I start? Okay, no, wait. The car is there. Okay, so right now what you are looking at is the Atomium, and this particular structure, it was built in the year 1958 for a World Trade Fair exhibition in 1958, and the place where it is built, that is called as the Hazel Plateau. What you are seeing right now, it is a molecule, or you can say a model of a molecule, which has been magnified 165 billion times, and they have created a model of it, and they have made a structure of it. And the main person, the main architect, his name was Mr. Andre Waterkin, who was responsible for this architecture.
What is the purpose of constructing it? Is it
For the World Trade Fair exhibition, which was there in the year 1958. That was the main purpose of it.
any advantage of that? Any useful for?
It's no use. Now you have museums and commercial offices inside.
Oh, inside there
Yes.
are. Oh.
Before, when it was constructed, it served as a entrance for the World Trade Fair exhibition.
Oh, we can go inside also.
You can go inside. There are museums, commercial offices inside. No. Population of around 8 lakh people. Around 8 lakh people. That's the resident population of Amsterdam, and it comes to the north of Netherlands, ladies and gentlemen. It's like it is also called as the Venice of North, because this city has got more than 600 plus canals, around 1200 bridges in this city, 1200 bridges, around 2500 plus houseboats are there, which is more than Venice. Venice has got only 400 canals, sorry, 117 canals, whereas you have Amsterdam, more than 400 plus canals, and it is more cleaner also. The canals here, they are more clean. After every 2 or 3 years, they are being cleaned, and when they are cleaned, heaps of cycles are found.
Wow.
Cycles are, oh my god, it means a thief here, if there is a thief,
Yeah.
he will not look to steal a motorbike or a car. He will try to steal a cycle. That's how valuable it is here. And just for your information, ladies and gentlemen, maybe the adults may get it, the world's oldest profession is legal in this city, or you can say it is legal in this country. The world's oldest profession, and consumption of soft drugs, that is also legal here. So now, ladies and gentlemen, please be ready to get down. We are going to get down shortly now, and when you are getting down, get down with your warm clothes, your camera, everything, because our bus will drop